basic program that is even and odd number. So basically, there are two methods for finding out even and odd number. First one is we can take the runtime values, and the second one is like we can take directly the number that directly the value. So I will explain you with both the methods. Firstly, we'll take like a equal to 10. If a modulus 2 equal to 0, then it will print even, else print odd. So this is basically the first method, and second method I will run that code. So it's showing even only. If I put 11, it will show that it will be odd number. And apart from that, we have, there is one more method like we can put like int float. We'll take float input, enter the number. So this is the second method, and for like we have taken like 2, it will show even, and if we put 1, it will show odd. So this is the basically two methods for finding out the even and odd number. Thank you.